Hi everyone, welcome to the course on solid state. So in previous video we discussed about the crystal lattice and the smallest portion of that crystal lattice, which is known as a unit cell. And there you learned some characteristics of crystal lattice and the parameters of unit cell. There are totally 6 parameters of unit cell. Those are alpha, beta, gamma, which are axial angles, and A, B, C, these are named as edge lengths. So now we will move to the types of unit cell. So what are the different types of unit cell that we can find in the crystal lattice? So there are totally 2 types of unit cell. One of the type of unit cell is primitive unit cell. Primitive unit cell. And the second type is centered unit cell. Centered unit cell, or it is also known as non-primitive unit cell. So these are the 2 types of unit cell, primitive unit cell and centered unit cell. So first we see what does this primitive unit cell means. Primitive unit cell, it is the unit cell in which the atoms or ions or any particles are present only at the corners of the unit cell. Such type of unit cell are said to be primitive unit cell. For example, if I consider a cubic unit cell, okay, the cubic unit cell, it consists of 8 corners. This is a simple cubic unit cell, and here these are the corners, and at the corners if I place the particles, then such type of unit cell is said to be primitive unit cell. So there are totally 8 corners, and at all the 8 corners the particles are present, and here you can observe the particles are present only at the corners of the unit cell. Then such kind of a unit cell is considered as a primitive unit cell or simple unit cell. So this is the primitive unit cell. Then the second type is centered unit cell or non-primitive unit cell. So this type of unit cell means along with the corners, if the particles are present at the other positions in the unit cell, then such type of unit cell is said to be non-primitive unit cell or centered unit cell. So in this type of unit cell, the particles are present at the corners. Along with this, the particles are also present at different positions in that unit cell. Such kind of unit cell is said to be centered unit cell or non-primitive unit cell. The next, the centered unit cell or non-primitive unit cell is further classified into 3 different types. And those 3 types of centered unit cell or non-primitive unit cell are body centered unit cell, the second type is face centered unit cell, and the third type is end centered unit cell. So these are the 3 different types of non-primitive or centered unit cell. So what does these types of unit cell means? So first we will study what does the body centered unit cell means. In a body centered unit cell, So as you know, centered unit cell means the particles are present at the corners as well as at the different positions in the unit cell. So where those particles are present in the unit cell along with the corners. So if I consider a simple cubic unit cell, okay, in this cubic unit cell, the particles are present at the corners, okay. So if the particles are present only at the corners, then it is considered as a primitive unit cell. But now we are discussing about a centered unit cell where the particles are present at the corners as well as at the different positions. So now the first body centered unit cell means here in this type of unit cell, the particles are present at the corners and at the center of the body of this unit cell. Okay, one particle is completely present at the center of the unit cell, and such a kind of unit cell is said to be body centered unit cell. The body centered unit cell means the unit cell in which the particle is present at the center of the body along with the particles at corners. Such kind of unit cell is said to be body centered unit cell. Then the second type is face centered unit cell. So in the name itself, it indicates face centered. Here the particles are present at the corners along with the faces, centers of each face of the unit cell. These are the faces. Okay, in a cube, how many faces will be present? Okay, how many faces? 1, 2, 3, and front one side 4, 5, 6. In this manner, the particles are present at the 6 faces of the cubic unit cell. So when the particles are present at the corners as well as at the center of each face, then such type of unit cell is said to be face centered unit cell. There are totally 6 faces, and at each face, center face, the particles will be present. Then this third one is end centered unit cell. In a end centered unit cell, the particles, again I will consider a cube, simple cube. The particles are present at the corners. Okay, so this will be present in all types of unit cells. The particles are always present at the corners, and in a particularly end centered, along with the corners, the particles are present at any 2 opposing faces. So here I have taken the top face and bottom face of this cube. So any 2 opposing face. If the particle is present at top face, then exactly opposite to that is bottom face. Here it will be present. If I consider the side face, if one particle is present here, then exactly opposite to this is the opposing face. Here also the one particle will be present. So the particles in the end centered unit cell are present at the corners as well as center of any 2 opposing faces. Such type of unit cell is said to be end centered unit cell. So these are the 3 different types of centered unit cell or non-primitive unit cell.